see what we got. So in the game center, doing card picker. Let's see. 1,231 flashcards. This is going to be fun. What? So the object of the game is to correctly match side 1 of the flashcard with side 2. Each turn, a different term from side 1 of the flashcard will show, and 6 possible matches will be listed below. It's your job to choose the correct side 2 from the 6 possible matches. Points are earned for successful pairings based on how fast you select the correct card. Good luck. Thanks. Secure hash algorithm. Point from which something varies. A configuration baseline. Process identifying risk, analyzing them. The identification or estimation of physical location of an object, such as radar source. That sounds like the most legit. A cryptographic hashing algorithm created to address possible weakness. Okay, it goes to the next one automatically. Content filter. Content filter is... that one looks really good. Look at that. What is a Radius client? Reputation data. What? The fundamental security goal of ensuring that computer systems operate continuously and that vice persons can. Oh. Extensible authentication protocol over LAN. DevSecOps development, security operations. Look at me go. I'm not dead yet. Following a loss of critical IP exfiltrated from the local network to a public cloud storage, you decide to implement a type of outbound filtering system. Which technology is most suitable for implementing the filter? Oh, hello. Boom. Let's see. Following a loss of critical IP exfiltrated from the local network to a public cloud storage network, you decide to implement a type of outbound filtering system. Which technology is most suitable for implementing the filter? Oof. Ooh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die again. Oh. Privileged access management. I would say policies, procedures, and support software for managing accounts and credentials with administrative permissions. Boom. Hey, I know something. What type of cloud solution would be used to implement an SAN? In general, you should start implementing some form of network segmentation to build hosts with the same security requirements within segregated zones. I want to say this one sounds pretty legit, and each business department can be grouped in their own subnets, prevent a compromise of one subnet from spreading to another. I'm clicking this one. Ah, really? Happy Camper. What does that mean? I don't camp. Corporate owned, business only. I didn't realize that it was personal use is prohibited. Yeah, that makes sense. No, that makes sense. Go with this. We'll roll with this one. Private cloud. A software vulnerability that can occur when a Windows-based application attempts to form another running application to load a dynamic link library. Tokenization of technology procedure put in place to mitigate vulnerabilities. The cloud is provided for use by a single entity. Boom. Look at me go. Okay, so we're discussing a redesign of network architecture with a client, and they want to know what the difference between an extranet and internet is. How can you explain it? The internet is an external zone where none of the hosts accessing your service can be assumed trusted or authenticated. An extranet is a zone allowing controlled access to semi-trusted hosts, employing some sort of authentication. Hosts are semi-trusted because they are not under the administrative control of the organization, as they are owned by suppliers, customers, business partners, contractors, and so on. Boom. A proxy server. I like this one. A server that mediates the communications between a client and another server can filter and often modify communications as well as provide caching services to improve performance, also referred to as forward proxy. Look at that. Multi-cloud. This one, a cloud deployment model where the cloud consumer uses multiple public cloud services. Threat feed. This is actually more difficult. One of the precompiled database statements can be used to validate encrypted database. Signature and pattern matching rules applied to an analysis platforms as an automated feed. Okay. Multimedia messaging services. On a Windows domain, way to deploy per user. Extension to SMS, allowing digital data. I like that one. Boom. I feel like if I lean too far back, my chair is going to fall over. All right. Let me just do this. Let me put this upright like so. Oh man, I gotta use the restroom right now. My win streak is 7 so far. Look at me go. I'm kind of know something in CompTIA. It's fantastic. Hooray. I gotta go to that. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Nature calls. All right, so we're looking at you're consulting with a medium-sized company about endpoint security solutions. What advantage does a cloud-based analytics platform have over an on-premises solution that relies on signature updates? I don't like any of these. Okay. Oh, you know what? I like this one. So advanced persistent threat malware can use techniques to evade signature-based detection. A cloud analytics platform backed by machine learning can apply more effective behavioral-based monitoring and alerting. Look at that. Domain name service harvesting. I would say using open source intelligence to gather information about a domain, subdomain, hosting, provider, administration, and so on as domain name system harvesting. It's literally in there. Card. M of N control. Practice of responding to a threat by destroying or deceiving a threat actor's capabilities. A means of limiting access to critical encryption keys. Private key of a certificate authority. Might enforcement policies be used to prevent USB tethering when a smartphone is brought into the workplace? Alrighty, Roo then. I would go with this one. This would allow a PC or laptop to connect to the internet via the smartphone cellular data connection. Sensor. I like that one. Oh, bummer. I was really torn between those two. That's a bummer. I've got 2 lives left, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I've got 1,231 cards to go through. It's gonna be crazy. All right. Jamming. I would say that one is nice. An attack in which radio waves disrupt 802.11 wireless signals. Look at me go. Look at me go. Embedded system. I actually like that one. That is really good. Yeah, none of those look good. Kerberos. I like that one. Single sign-on authentication authorization. Okay, the Diffie-Hellman is a really crazy. I like cryptographic technique that provides secure key exchange. Going with that because the rest of them do not work with that. Registration authority. Okay, so registration authority. No. It's a virtual item that contains authentication. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. In a river, there's no contact between two. No. Windows utility for measuring latency. No. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I like that one. MPKI, an authority that accepts requests for digital certificates. Boom, baby. On the go. That I'm not too sure about. I might have to lose a life on this one. On the go. Location where security professionals. No. Method of sanitizing. No. Standard for encapsulating. No. Oh, it was that. Oh, no. All right. Meantime between failures. Meantime between failures. All right. Yes, that one is good. The rating on a device or component. Let's see. Why is it vital to ensure the security of an organization's DNS service? We'll have that first test. Why is it vital to ensure security of an organization's DNS service? Yeah, I like that one. DNS resolves domain names. If it were to be corrupted, users could be directed to spoofed websites. It can also perform denial of service. I think that one's the best one right there. It is. Look at me go. Collision. Oh my gosh. This is not good. I'm not sure about this one. Oh, okay. Well, I died. Nice results. Yeah, my win streak. My highest win streak right now is 11 cards. All right. We did that on 1,231 flashcards. Yikes. All right, shimming. I'm not too sure about this one. A group account is a collection of user accounts. Useful. That makes sense. Okay, bug bounty. That reward scheme operated by software and web services vendors for reporting vulnerabilities. Continuous monitoring. Let's see. Process for verifying compliance with the health policy by using host health checks? No. Attacker specific victims, IP. No. Yeah, that makes sense. Continuous monitoring, technique of constantly evaluating an environment for changes so that new risks may be more quickly detected and business operations improved upon. Also referred to as continuous security monitoring. All right. How does a clickjacking attack work? I like that one. The attacker inserts an invisible layer into a trusted web page that can intercept or redirect input without the user realizing. Clickjacking. I just clicked on the card and it took me to another website. Boom. All right. Personal area network. Oh, let's see. Okay. So personal area network. Principle that states when and how long an employee must take. What? No. In threat hunting, no. No. Boom. Thin AP. Ooh. I'm going to go with the next point that requires a wireless controller in order to function. Boom. Look at me go. Scalability. So it should be framework. Let's see. No. No. I would say that one. Property by which a computer environment is able to gracefully fulfill its ever increasing resource needs. Scalability. Ba-boom. Why might a pin be a particularly weak type of something you know? Authentication. I like that one. A long personal identification number PIN is difficult for users to remember, but a short PIN is easy to crack. A PIN can only be used safely where the number of sequential authentication attempts can be strictly limited. Over the air. No. No. I would say a firmware update delivered on a cellular data network sounds pretty legit. Yeah. Okay. Card cloning. Yeah, no. 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 I like this one. Duplicating a smart card by reading or skimming the confidential data stored on it, also known as skimming. Click in that one. Look at me go. Just 1,231 more to go. Isn't it exciting, guys? Sinkhole. I would say this one, a DOS attack mitigation strategy that directs the traffic that is flooding a target IP address to a different network for analysis. That sounds pretty legit. Okay, this is as far as I've gotten so far, guys. 11 win streak. Okay, no pressure. Okay. Which network access control frame supports smart cards? Jesus. Mm. Mm. No. No. Yeah, there we go. That's like super obvious right there. It even says support smart cards. But this is not network access control, as the device has already been allowed on the network. The IEEE 802.1x framework means that the network air access servers, switches, access points, and VPN gateways can accept extensible authentication protocols credentials, but block any other type of network access. They act as pass-through for an authentication server, which stores and validates credentials. Some EAP types support smart card or machine authentication. Yeah. Okay, guys, win streak is 12. We have now beaten our previous scores. Stress test. No. That one sounds pretty legit. Clicking it. Look at us go, guys. 13 win streak. Okay, so memory leak. No. 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 Why would what? Okay. False. Memory leak. False. It's like Dwight K. Schrute right there. Bears beats Battlestar Galactica. All right. Software vulnerability that can occur when software does not release memory. All right. Downgrade attack. No. 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 I like that one. That's good. That's a good one. Clustering. No. I think that one is the best one. Guys, look at this. We have got a win streak of 16. Data emanation. Ooh. These are getting harder. Let's see. Data emanation. I know enumeration is like finding out all the systems, but I don't think that's a good idea. Let's see. This is actually really tough on this one. I want to go with this one right now. Oh. Oh. There goes our win streak, guys. Win streak of 16. All right, key distribution center. Let's see. I like that one. This. What is secure staging? I would say that sounds pretty legit. Haha. False negative. Classifying prison code. Yeah, no. No. Oh, boom. That is it. Insecurity scanning a case that is not reported when it should be. That is a false negative. Boom. All right. Secure boot. Let's see what we got here. Secure boot. All right. I'll be right back. I drink too much water. Too much water. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I drink way too much water. All the water in the world. All right, so secure boot. I would say a UEFI feature that prevents unwanted processes from executing during the boot operation. A dump file is file containing data captured from system memory. I like that. Oh, that hurts. I'm going with that because the rest of them are bleh. What is a VDE? A virtual desktop environment is the workspace presented when accessing an instance in a virtual desktop infrastructure solution. VDI is the whole solution, host server and virtual platform, connection protocols, connection session broker, and client access devices. Server certificate. A digital certificate that guarantees the identity of e-commerce sites and other websites that gather and store confidential information. That sounds really nice. Let's see. I'm rolling with this. Hey, look, I got it right. All right, so I think last time our streak was 16, so we have to Hot Wheels beat that. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. How is a fingerprint reader typically implemented as hardware? I'm going as a capacitive cell because the rest of those don't make sense. So, you're reviewing access logs on a web server and notice repeated requests for URLs containing the strings %3c and %3e. Is this an event that should be investigated further, and why? Out of all of these, I'm liking this one. Open source intelligence is a reconnaissance activity to gather information about the target from any public source. The basic tool is web searches, query plus sites. Scan, scrape, monitor vulnerabilities in internet-facing services and devices. There are also specialist OSINT tools, such as the Harvester, that aggregate data from queries for the different resources. Oh, that hurt. So much for my win streak there. All right. Well, data breach. Let's see. No. 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 Yeah, I like this. All right. So when confidential or data or private data is read, copied, or changed without authorization, data breach events may have notification and reporting requirements. Why do you keep humming at me? Oh, it's true. It's almost lunchtime. Man, time flies while having fun learning card picker game center. Let's see. CCMP counter mode with cipher block chaining message authentication code protocol. What? All right. No. I'm going with the NNAIC architecture property that an automation or orchestration action always produces the same result regardless of the component's previous state. I'm going to go with that one. Oh. Oh. Well, I dieted it. and it's almost lunchtime. So I think I'm going to call it here for now. Let's see. I will see you all later. Have a great day. Bye.